Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a water heater. Now if you're a regular to the channel, you've seen this water heater in the background and it's been there for many years. Well, this old fella decided to give up the ghost. It's about 20 years old and it decided to start leaking on me just last night. So obviously I didn't have much chance to do anything. I had to run out today and get a brand new water heater to replace it because there's no hot water and it was leaking all over the floor. So I'm going to walk you through how to replace a water heater so you can do it yourself. Now, if you're a regular to the channel, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, how about hitting that subscribe button so you get notified of all future videos I produce. So let's see. Let me show you a bit of a mess going on here. I just went to Home Depot and I got this fella right here. It's a direct replacement, nothing special, 50-gallon water tank, and it's expensive as heck. This one ran me about $600 and that's the cheapest one I could find. This old guy, when I put that in about 20 years ago, only cost me about $300. So things have doubled in that span of time. So I'm going to walk you through how to do everything the easy way. Some plumbers will probably want to do things harder and charge you more money, but I'm here to save you guys money, so this is the way I'm going to do it. So obviously I have to first of all get the dryer out of the way, undo the straps, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we got the dryer out of the way, so we put it over here so it's not a bother. And now what we have to do is get the earthquake straps off of there. So let's see right here. You just get your wrench and just start wrenching away at it. Get the straps. Am I going the right way? Going the wrong way. There you go. Now we just start undoing it off of there and unwrenching that puppy. And I'm going to have to get another one because this one has, does it have enough resistance? There we go. Now we got some resistance going. Now I can do it. So you get the idea. I got to undo this strap and I got to undo this strap up here, and then we'll come back and undo the water. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the earthquake straps off and the gas is disconnected. You can see that down there. And now comes the fun part, emptying it out. 50 gallons of water, one bucket at a time. Oh, what fun. But around here water is too darned expensive, so there's no way I'm going to waste all that water. I'm going to take it out and put it on the grass, the flower bed, something to be more useful. Water around here costs too much. Alright, be back. Okay, so I got the other water heater out of there. I brought it down and I put this one back in its place. I didn't want to bother you with a lot of the minor details, but you can see I put the earthquake straps back to hold it in place. Your area may or may not have that, I don't know. But if they are required, be sure to have that in place. This is a very heavy unit, and this is a 50 gallon, for example. That weighs a ton, so you definitely don't want that coming loose on an earthquake. So I put the gas line back on, and you know, some plumbers will say you have to get all brand new equipment. I don't think it's necessary. If it was working fine to begin with, you can continue with what you already have and save yourself some money. So you don't need to put in new gas line, new water lines, new vent lines. You don't need to do that. I'm using all the existing stuff. I just have to reattach my vent line. That's what I have left. Let me go up top. I just have to reattach the vent line in a moment. And I have the cold water already attached, as you can see. I'm going to attach the hot water in just a moment. All you do is thread it into here. You're good to go. Just bend the pipes to accommodate the spacing that you have. And like I said, these are already here. Just do it gently, do it carefully, do it slowly. You don't want to kink them up. Copper is soft, but it does kink. You could always use a torch or something to heat them up if you want to, but I'll put this on and I'll bring you back when it's all done. Okay, so here we are on the top of the water heater. I reconnected all the water lines. The cold is on the far side, the hot is on the near side. And now, as you can hear it, I'm filling it up with water. So in a few minutes, it should be filled up with water, and I will turn on the pilot light and all that down there and get it going so we can start having some hot water real soon. And then obviously I'm going to check for leaks and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to put some black foam around the pipes up here for energy efficiency. Now, one little mistake that I made, I mean, if you want to call it that, but it's easily remedied. You can see right here, this pipe, I put this this heater, a little bit further back than my previous one. So the pipe was a little too short. So I had to take a piece of pipe and basically connect it in there, put a couple of screws to secure it in place, and away you go. Because this is the exhaust for the gases. For when it burns gas, the noxious gases have to escape through here up to the outside. So I was a little bit short, like that much. I was a little short. So I just put in a piece of pipe, joined it together, you're good to go. And that's all you need to do. A plumber would probably say you got to replace all the pipes and everything all over, and it's just not necessary. So let me step down. And there you go. Here's a shot of it installed there. And now you, basically, like I said, it's already done. Just got to fill it up, turn it on, and I'll give you a finishing shot when I have everything done. Okay guys, so here's a finishing shot. Now you get to see everything put back together the way it was. It pretty much took me all day because I did a lot of cleaning underneath it and, you know, prepping it and getting rid of all the dirty water and rust and stuff that was under there. But it can be done faster if you don't have any cleaning or anything you want to do. So this goes to show you what a simple job it is that anybody can do. You can do it yourself. You don't need to pay a plumber. This job, if I had paid a plumber in my area, would have been $2,000, $2,500, something like that. I did it for about $600, which is the cost of the water heater. I didn't have to put in anything extra because I used all the existing straps and plumbing and everything else. And like I said, I miscalculated a little bit. I thought I was doing it okay, but actually I wanted the water heater to sit back a little further to give me a little bit more room away from the dryer. If I had moved it forward, I would not have had that issue. But since I pushed it all the way back against the wall, you can see there is no room there. So it's all the way back against the wall. And that caused me to have to extend the exhaust pipe up top. But that is a minimal problem. That is nothing to deal with. And the only tools you need to do this are 3 tools. I needed the wrench for the earthquake straps, this for all the plumbing and gas connections, and a screwdriver for some of the screws on the exhaust pipe up there. But that's it. That's all you need. Basically, undo a few connections, put the heater back, put the connections back where they belong, and you're good to go. It's a very simple job. Any DIY person or someone that wants to be a DIY person can manage to do their own water heater and save a ton of money. So in case you're wondering why I didn't show you all the in-between steps, it's because it's very easy. It's pretty straightforward. It would have been boring. You can do it yourself. You'll see it when you do it. It's nothing to it. So don't be concerned. You can manage to do it all yourself. And that I just showed you everything you need to do right there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys back here for another DIY project next time. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye for now.